In this video, I'll show you how to create project folder in Xcode. First, open Visual Studio Code and click the Files icon on the left to open the Explorer panel. Next, click Open Folder. We'll create a new folder on the desktop called My Code. You can name it whatever you like. Once the folder is created, open it. It's empty for now. Now, let's create a new file inside this folder and name it index.js. The file will automatically open in the editor. You can close the Welcome tab if it's still open. If you check your My Code folder, you'll now see the index.js file inside it. Next, let's open the terminal in VS Code. Make sure the terminal is running in the same folder where your file is located. To confirm, type pwd or cd on Windows and press Enter. You should see that we're inside the desktop/mycode directory. Perfect. Now, we're all set to start coding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching.